Hey, it's Isabel Candava. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be connected with the other video that I have posted 2 weeks or 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago. At yun ay yung video na tungkol sa high school survival kit, you know. Yeah. Anyway, can you hear that? I hope you can. Para hindi ko siya maisama sa video. Anyway, as I've said, it is connected to my high school survival kit. At ang video na ito naman ay tungkol sa mga applications na nahanap ko at dinownload ko to help you perform better in school. So, not only did I download this, not only did I research about this, but I also used this for a span of time. So, ang ibang apps dito is makikita nyo sa What's on my iPhone video ko. Yeah. At kaya hindi ko sila dinidelete kasi it's been helping me perform well in school. So, start na tayo. So, for the first app, it is a meditation app. At nabanggit ko nga to dun sa What's on my iPhone video ko at yun ay ang Calm app. So, basically, what you do here is you meditate, you either... Oh, shoot. So, you either choose breathe, choose meditate, or choose sleep. Kaya ko sinuggest to is because when I get overwhelmed because of school, all I do is I meditate para naman mabawasan yung mga iniisip ko tungkol sa school. What I like about this is napaka-calming ng mga songs dito, ganyan-ganon. At yun, what I do is timed meditation most of the time. Kasi yun lang yung hindi bayad, I think so. Ayun, yung 7 days of meditation, hindi din siya bayad, but, you know, at dahil tayo nagbabawas lang ng iniisip sa school, timed meditation na lang, mga 2 minutes na lang ganun. Kasi baka makatulog na kayo kapag nag 7-day meditation pa kayo. Mga 10 minutes, 20 minutes yata yun. So, next of the apps is Elevate, and what this is like a brain training app. There are a lot of games every day that you can play at super helpful siya kasi ito yung isa sa mga apps na nag-help sa akin for me to improve in math, especially dun sa pag-compute ko mentally, ganyan. So yeah, you can choose your training type. Dati wala to, but now you can choose your training type, recommended, quick, difficult. If you're in the pro, if you have bought the game, you can choose whether you're gonna play pro, language, or math. At ang maganda dito is you can actually track your performance. I don't know, siguro based na rin sa galing nyo, but I started not in the advanced section, pero yung level before that. So, yun lang pinaparating ko na nag-move naman siya every game that you play, or I don't know if it's every game that you play or in every week that you play that game. Right now, from the second level, I am now expert in writing and advanced dun sa other app at. So the third app is kind of like Elevate din, pero I enjoyed playing this app more, kaya yun. Kaya nire-recommend ko din siya sa inyo. At yun ay ang Peak. So yun nga, brain training app din siya. You can play lots of mind games every day. At super cute niya. So, meron kang 6 games if you have bought the Pro. At meron ka namang 4 games kapag hindi Pro yung binili mo, like me, kasi poor actor. Charot. Kaya sila parang makatulad ng Elevate is, you know, it's a brain training app at may tracker din siya ng performance. Ang cute naman sa tracker nito is it puts your brain in a nutshell. Ayan, as you can see, your brain in a nutshell. At wala lang, ang cute lang niya. Tapos, ang mas cute pa dito is you can compare to your brain map to people that are your age, to people that are older than you, to people that are younger than you, and to the profession that you want to compare yourself with. Pwede na rin sa friend, pero dahil wala akong friend, sige. I will remember you. Anyway, let's head over to the next app. And this is one of my favorite apps na gusto-gusto ko talaga i-recommend sa inyo kasi super nakakatulong talaga siya. Hindi naman talaga siya directly na nakakatulong sa studies nyo, but you know, it can get your brain functioning well. So that is Duolingo. And we all know Duolingo is a language learning app. At super fun niya kasi you get to learn another language. I have tried a lot of applications for me to learn a certain language, pero Duolingo has helped me the most. Kaya, yun ang i-recommend ko sa inyo. At ngayon, French yung inaaral ko and I'm not even halfway. Kasi what I do is I focus on 2 subjects per week. And on Sundays, I do practice tests. Tapos kapag na-perfect ko yung mga yon, I head on to the next 2 subjects or topics. Super nakakatulong siya, I promise you guys. Hindi kayo magsisisi, especially kapag na-master nyo na yung language na gusto nyong pag-aralan. So, yun. Another app is ClassUp. Hindi naman siya totally nakakatulong for your performance in school. Siguro attendance, ganun. Attendance in school. Kasi, basically, it is an app na you can make a schedule of your classes. At, cute siya. Kaya, I'm sure magugustuhan niya siya. As you can see, ito yung schedule ko for the second semester. At, kaya ko rin siya hinanap, kaya ko rin hinantong app na to is because super hectic ng schedule namin for the second sem. Kailangan ko talaga siya i-wallpaper para matandaan ko. Tapos yon, I know I can and I did. I finished grade 11, no, 'di ba? Kaya kayo rin makaka-finish din kayo ng grade 11 like me or with higher grades than I have, 'di ba? Yon lang. So the next app is the Photomath. At hindi ko to nire-recommend sa inyo for you to cheat on tests. Please, wag nyo naman gamitin yung Photomath para sa quiz. Tsaka wag nyo gamitin yung photos nyo, ha? Naalibadbaran talaga. Ganun. Oh my gosh. Alam nyo, ewan ko ha, pero if you cheat, don't judge me, but I just hate it. Alam niyo yun, parang when I look at my classmates cheating, parang sana nagbayad ka ng napakamahal na tuition para mandaya. Okay, mahala ka dyan, magsakar naman. Ay! Super bad ko. Anyway, yon, Photomath. Bakit ko nire-recommend ang Photomath? It is because this app will help you to do your math assignments. Not quizzes, ha? Assignments. Okay? Kapag hindi nyo na talaga makaya, ayan, gamitin nyo to. Ayan, gamitin nyo to. Ano ba problema ng assignment lang naman? Kung hindi mo talaga kaya, di wag. Hindi mo na kaya. Pero wag naman sa quiz, di ba? Kaya nga nag-aaral tayo before a quiz. Para malaman mo kung anong gagawin mo during the quiz. Anyway, next is Scannable. Kailangan mo ba itanong kung bakit? Siyempre, it is used to scan your documents. At super helpful siya kasi not only are you helping yourself, but also you're helping the person na humihingi ng notes mo. At para hindi mo magawa yung ginawa ng kaklase ko sa akin. Like, may one time nun, I told my classmate na isend niya sa akin yung notes niya. Tapos, yung notes niya, it's either blurred or pixelated. So, sabi ko, sige, wag na lang ako magkopya. Mukhang ayaw mo rin naman ako pakopyahin. Gano'n, hindi ko na siya kinopya. Tinamad na rin ako. Sobrang labo kasi. But when you use Scannable, when you scan all your documents, all your handouts, all your practice tests, charot. When you scan all your documents na kailangan sa school, hindi na mahirap basahin and hindi na mahirap i-write. my gosh. Help yourself and help your classmate. Hindi kayo naghihilahan pababa. You help each other. Yon. You help each other. At dahil dyan, walang ka-connect-connect, pero the next app is Quizlet. So, I don't know if sikat yung app na to, pero I think it should be sikat because it's super helpful. You know, when you watch those tips na, yun nga, for better performance in school, they always have cue cards, the little little index cards na they put the terms and the definitions, whatnot. This app is like a phone version of it. So, ano lang siya, cutie. Ganun, cue cards din. Tapos, ang maganda pa nun, dahil nga lagi natin ni-use yung phones natin, it's so easy to study for a quiz. Okay? You don't have to use photomath anymore. Ganun. So, what you do is, you make cards, you learn them, at yun, kapag, kunyari, let's try this. Magte-test ako. I'm gonna try if I remember a single thing. Okay. So, kunyari, ayan, number 1. Kunyari, alam ko. Yun, ganun yung test. So, napaka-helpful talaga niya. Kaso, hindi ko na alam kung ano to. So, I will just end it. Yun. Siyempre, para hindi natin tayo mahirapan na magsulat, ganyan. Just use Quizlet. Another app is Gradehound. I don't remember the name of the app before it was called Gradehound, but minention ko siya sa sa What's on My iPhone video ko. So basically, what you do in this application is you encode all your subjects, all the rooms of your subject, all the professors of those subjects, at hindi mo yata pwedeng ilagay yung units, how many units your subject is. Pero, yon. The thing is, this app computes for your grades. Okay? That's why I love it. Kasi, I can keep track of my grades. I can see how well or how bad I am performing as of that moment sa school. At yun, nakaka-motivate siya, syempre. Kasi kapag mababa ka, you have to step up your game. At kapag mataas ka na, you still have to step up your game kasi we're aiming to be the best. Diba? Ganun ang motivation natin, girl! Anyway, makita sa dashboard pang ilang quarter and all your subjects and all your grades in that subject. At yan yung maganda doon, basically. Also, you can add your assignments in here, tapos may mga notifications, ganun, kung kailan mag-e-end, kung kailan ang deadline, whatever, whatnot. Ganun siya kaganda. So, I recommend this to you. The only problem is it is paid. So, yeah. I don't know lang if... Actually, it's free. Pero, ang tanda ko, if your subjects exceed 5, kailangan nyo na mag-pro. So, like, pwede namang i-encode nyo lang yung major subjects nyo, ganun. Para maging free din naman. So, yeah, I still recommend that app to you kahit na paid siya. And last of the apps is Focus Now. So, this is a free version of an app na basta yung may timer tapos magagawa ka ng farm. Magagawa ka ng farm. Makakabuo ka ng farm. Yon, makakagrow ka ng plants. Timer lang siya. Ganun. But what's cute about this, I recommend you to use this. Kasi, if you're like me na nasasatisfy kapag kapag may na-accomplish, kunyari ako nakagrow ako ng kalabasa dito. Super, I'm so proud of myself. Parang ganun. So, yon. Super nakaka-motivate siya para mag-aral. Try natin. Pwedeng 25 minutes, 50 minutes, 75 minutes, 100 minutes, kahit ilang minutes ang gusto nyo. Ang maganda pa dito is, when you start it, yon, makakapili ka if you're either gonna choose work, study, dining, sport, rest, or others. At kapag in-okay mo yon, mag-start yung timer. At mo naman, ang cute-cute niya! May seed! Parang munggo! Ganun! So yeah, let's give up. For the first time, I'll give up. Are you sure to kill me? Oh my gosh, kill cruelly. Oh my god. Kinokonsensya niya tayo, Vance. Yeah, Crayola. Oh my gosh! Ang pangit niya! Nabulok! Oh my gosh, sayang. Okay, please, try next time. Oh, diba? So anyway, those are the 10 apps that I use and now I am sharing with all of you para matulungan kayo with all the things that you have to accomplish in school for better performance, for motivation, anything na kailangan nyo sa school. So if you have any apps to suggest to help all the people that are currently watching this video, please leave it on the comment section down below para, you know, we can help each other. Ganun. We can all strive for the best. Yes! Anyway, I'm gonna end this video na kasi I see a red battery blinking on the screen of my camera. So, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any comments, katulad nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, if you have any apps to suggest, just leave it on the comment box down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!
Hold up.